Imagine stock markets never sleep. Closing bell is dead. Right now, at 3 a.m., exhausted traders watch billions evaporate in real time. Global market is now 24-hour nightmare. Welcome to endless crash. Crypto never sleeps. Now, stock traders want same power. They demand 24/7 market access. Wall Street hears them. Major exchanges now test overnight trading. Sleep is for weak. Money never rests. Critics sound the alarm. Look at these empty night markets, once bustling, now ghost towns. This sudden collapse triggers wild, unpredictable price swings. The danger is real, and the market is spiraling out of control. Global banks tear down old code, rebuild systems from scratch. Inside dark offices, exhausted developers work endless night shifts. Coffee runs cold, screens glow, sleep becomes luxury. Survival, not progress, drives them now. Launch day is here. Brokers flip the switch on 24/7 systems to handle the massive surge. Midnight strikes and the first trades execute. There is no turning back now. The machine never sleeps. Imagine waking up, grabbing your phone, and seeing your entire life savings gone. That was the reality for thousands of retail traders last night. A sudden, brutal flash crash wiped the market clean. Total chaos. Midnight crash triggers emergency probe. Outside exchange gates, fury boils. Angry retail traders scream, demanding reverse trades. Regulators scramble for answers. Will system bend, or will millions vanish into thin air? Inside, the bosses locked the doors. They pointed to the terms of service, refusing all refunds. Outside, fury boiled. Angry mobs gathered, screaming for justice, but the contract shielded the thieves. The gates remained shut. Regulators pulled the plug on 24/7 trading platforms to stop the crash, but killing the screens did not freeze the fear. The sudden silence triggered global panic. Markets died. Everyone panicked. Government shut them down, but black markets reborn instantly. Desperate investors now flood unregulated dark pools. They trade in shadows, clawing to escape massive losses. Safety is gone. Only risk remains. Underground traders dump assets all night. Price drops to zero in secret. Morning bell rings. Official market opens. Instant crash. Panic spreads fast. Everyone loses everything. How long before total ruin? To stop the panic, central banks froze all digital transactions. Furious crowds rushed to physical banks, only to find locked doors and completely empty ATMs. The system shut down, leaving everyone stranded. Bank vaults stay locked tight. Angry mobs burn empty ATMs. Starving citizens loot local grocery stores for food. How much longer can human society survive this complete madness? Tanks roll down your street. Soldiers rule the block. Cash is trash now. You trade a watch for bread or starve. The old world died and only survival matters. Huddled around dying embers, cold survivors whisper stories of dead markets. Old world fell. Can humanity rebuild civilization from cold ashes, or does darkness rule our future forever?